Hi guys, welcome to Craft Mechanics. In this channel, we're going to understand the concepts of physics and mechanics by building some fun projects. You only require basic materials like cardboard, tape, and rubber band. So let's get started. Today we are going to make a flying propeller just out of cardboard. All you need for today's project is a cardboard, a pencil, and some scissors. So if you now have a basic propeller with the cardboard, you can just try spinning it and see what happens. So if you see it's spinning very fast, but it doesn't go up. So how do we really make it go up? So now we have to tilt the wings. So just hold the wing and bend it upwards like this. Okay, and then the same thing you have to do with the other wing. So the thing you have to think is when you turn the propeller like this, the incoming air will hit the propeller here and go down, and that will push the propeller up. So now when you bend the wings, now if you kind of rotate it, you will feel the air on your hands. That's the test, right? If it's going up, then it means you have tilted it in the opposite direction. So you should feel that the air is coming downwards on your hands. Now if you try it, it goes up. Okay guys, now time for a bit of a theory. So the basic two things we have to understand is what is the weight of a thing. So we know that some things are heavy and some things are light. So we should understand what is weight. So the propeller is going down because the gravity is pulling the propeller down. Now we need something to make the propeller go up. So that something we have is air. So when this propeller it does like this, the air comes in from this direction and it hits it and it goes down. And we have something called as Newton's third law of motion. So every action has equal and opposite reaction. So if you are pushing the ball, if you're hitting a ball, the ball is hitting you back. Same way, when the air is hitting the propeller and goes down, it actually sends the propeller up. So these are the two concepts that we need to understand to help make us make our propeller better. So the challenge is to make a propeller that will go the highest and fastest. So you can think of with various parameters to make this happen. One is the number of the fins of the propeller. It's not necessary to have 2, you can have 3 or 4. The shape of the propeller is also not fixed. You can try with various shapes. You can shape like this, or a circle or a rectangle. And you can also experiment with the length of the propeller. So you can have a propeller which is long, or you can have a propeller which is short. Thing you will notice that if you have a long propeller, it will actually push more air, but it will spin slower. So you have to balance a little bit. If the air is pushed very, very much, but if it spins very slowly, it may not go very high. And you can also experiment with materials because weight is very important. We want to keep the weight minimum so that it can go higher. Good luck making your propellers fly higher. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and follow us for more content. Craft Mechanics.